Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change the language in Telegram. So let's start it. So if you want to change your language in Telegram, then what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left. After tapping on the three bar icon, now what you can do is just simply tap on settings. And after tapping on settings, if you scroll down, here you can find the option which is language. Just tap on language and now you can see the default language. So now to change your language, what you can do is to simply scroll down and then select a language that you like. So for example, I'll select this language, and after selecting that language, here you can see guys, my language has been successfully changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change your language in Telegram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.